you know, I recall, Congressman, that you're not too big to apologize. I recall one incident just recently when you did apologize on the floor of the Congress. Do you find that this is a situation that calls for an apology from you?
No, I will not apologize.
Not even
I
for
was
the
sta-
hitting?
Listen, sir. I was standing. I was in the fencing venue. I was standing. Siya yung lumapit sa akin.
Para daw i-congratulate
Eh,
kayo for your silver.
Well, madali naman sabihin yun eh. Pero kung lumapit ka sa akin, at gano'n ang dating mo, sino ba naman ako para atrasan kita?
Pero Kong, bakit niyo siya
Diba?
binatukan sa ulo, sa batok?
Alam mo, sir, sana ito gawin ng iba. Kasi hindi lang batok ang abuti nila.
Congressman,
Oh.
there is an appeal from Bumble, POC chair, to now, you know, you're both adults. Perhaps when the dust has settled, cooler heads will prevail. And pag-usapan nyo na lang.
Madali yung pag-usapan yun.
So,
Pwede naman talagang pag-usapan yun.
open naman kayo na magkaayos na kayong dalawa.
Para sa akin lang, my point is, do not do that. Do not cut the opportunity of the athlete. Because you will never know kung magkakaroon ba siya ng another opportunity para maglaro sa susunod na SEA Games. Remember, she is a medical student. And in 2 years' time, nasa med proper na yan. Sayang yung galing ng atleta. Ngayon yung prime niya, ngayon yung peak niya. In 2 years' time, nakafocus din sa pag-aaral niya. Baka iwanan na niya yung pending. Sayang ba? Sayang yung opportunity na sana nakamedalya sa for the country. That is the point of all this.